Welcome to this tutorial on how to create sheets in Microsoft Excel. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that allows you to create multiple sheets within a workbook. Let's get started. Excel interface appears on the screen. First, open a new or existing workbook in Excel. By default, you will see one sheet labeled Sheet 1 in the workbook. To create a new sheet, simply click on the plus sign icon located at the bottom left corner of the interface. Click on the plus sign icon. New sheet labeled Sheet 2 will be added to the workbook. You can rename the sheet by double-clicking on the sheet name and typing in a new name. Let's rename it as Sales. Double-click on the sheet name and rename it as Sales. To add more sheets, click on the plus sign icon again. Let's add 2 more sheets. Click on the plus sign icon twice. Now we have 4 sheets in the workbook. You can switch between the sheets by clicking on the sheet name tabs at the bottom of the interface. Click on the sheet name tabs to switch between the sheets. If you want to delete a sheet, right-click on the sheet name tab and select Delete from the menu. A warning message will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Click Delete to proceed. Right-click on the sheet name tab and select Delete option. You can also move the sheets around within the workbook. To do so, click and hold on the sheet name tab and drag it to the desired position. Let's move the expenses sheet to the right of the sales sheet. Click and hold on the expenses sheet name tab and drag it to the right of the sales sheet. That's it. You have now learned how to create, rename, delete and move sheets in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials.